our own Good Samaritans. Class of 2010, my second piece of advice for you today is to be a good Samaritan in someone else's life. Although this may sound daunting, it does not mean dramatically changing our lifestyles. For instance, by staying positive, acting as a role, and volunteering our time and skills to help someone in need, we begin a cycle of compassion that ultimately benefits everyone. Together, as a class, we endure many crises and always found a way to emerge stronger than before. We have taken strenuous exams, performing breathtaking plays and experiments. We have built relationships and harvested wisdom wherever it is found. If that is what we could do in the course of the last few years of high school, imagine what we will be able to do when we choose our own paths. When we let our passions guide us, there's nothing we cannot do. Fellow classmates, find what you love doing in life and stick with it. That is my third and final advice for you today. Because working with this talent, calling, or skills that you will find true happiness and change the world. No matter where life takes you, go forward. And never let anyone tell you that you have just graduated from Argomator National High School, a newly inaugurated school. And don't let anyone tell you that you are not good enough. We are more than ready to make our dreams come true. Again, thank you very much for coming out on this wonderful day, and may God bless us
Two
all.
speakers for our graduation this afternoon. Please join me in welcoming our very own father. He was able to arrange his busy schedule to be with us today. He has been helping the school all through the way out, one of which is the WinLab, a computerization program which is in full implementation right now. Everyone, may I present to you our beloved Mayor, Honorable Sherwin T. Gatchalian.
Magandang hapon po, makapunang tayo. Magandang hapon sa pinakamalaking high school sa buong Valenzuela. First kay Dr. Mayari, sa ating sa DepEd family, kay Congressman Rex, kay Consel Kate, sa lahat po na ating magulang, sa ating mga guro, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Alam niyo po, ang Argomator National High School ay siguro isang pagpapatunay na patuloy po ang pagtayo natin ng high school sa iba't ibang barangay. No? Dito po sa inyong lugar, sa Polo, lahat po ng mga barangay dyan ay nakasanayan ng pumasok ng high school sa Polo National High School. So, ang programa po ng ating lokal na pamahalaan is yung tinatawag natin decentralization. So, meron tayong high school na ngayon sa Wawang Polo, meron tayong high school sa Argomator, magtatayo tayo ng high school sa Malanday, at sa iba pang mga karating na barangay. So, ang gusto natin, mailapit ang mga high school sa iba't ibang barangay, mailapit ang high school sa mga naninirahan sa kanilang barangay, at of course, maging mas komportable sa ating mga kabataan pumasok sa eskwelahan. No? Hindi dapat maging balakid ng edukasyon, dapat maging mas madali sa kanila pumasok para hindi po magiging adlan ang makakamit ng magandang edukasyon. So mga graduates, siguro itong araw na ito ay isang napakagandang araw dahil kayo ay natapos na at kayo ay papasok sa kolehiyo. Huwag nating kakalimutan at sasayangin mga pinag-aralan natin sa high school. At of course, itong araw na ito ay araw rin ng pasasalamat. Huwag natin kakalimutan magpasalamat sa ating mga magulang dahil sila ay na sa likod ninyo at talagang ginagawa nila ang lahat para magkaroon kayo ng magandang kinabukasan. Marami akong nakakausap na magulang na dito sa ating lungsod at ako'y hangang-hanga sa ating magulang dahil talagang ginagawa nila lahat ng kanilang makakaya para masigurado ang kanilang mga anak ay makakamit ng magandang edukasyon. Ibang mga magulang po natin, nakikita ko talagang kahit na mahirap ang kanilang dinadaanan, talagang pinipilit nila na ang kanilang mga anak ay makatapos ng high school at makapasok ng college. Kaya ang mga kabataan, mga graduates, huwag natin nakalimutan ang sakripisyo ng ating mga magulang dahil sila po ay talagang ginawa nila ang lahat para sa inyo. At of course, ang ating mga guro, ako'y nagpapasalamat rin sa inyong lahat, sa inyong sakripisyo. Hindi niyo pinabayaan ang ating mga estudyante. So, muli, congratulations sa inyong lahat.
Speaker, laboriously worked the passing of the House Bill number 5293, our Congcaton National High School. He is the main proponent in Republic Act number 9669, an act separating the Valenzuela National High School, our Congcaton Annex in Barangay Arcongcaton, from the Valenzuela National High School and converting it into an independent national high school to be known as our National High School here in our place. This plan also enabled us to acquire our independent allotment from the National Fund and further develop and enhance educational facilities and instruction. We are delighted to have him witness the very first fruits of his vision and deliver a message to them. Ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Congressman Rex P. Gatchalian.
Magandang hapon at makakaupo ng mga graduates. Congratulations! Siyempre, bago ako magsimula, nais kong batiin din ang mga panauhin natin na kasama natin sa harapan. Kay Ma'am Mayari, Ma'am, magandang hapon ho. Kay Ma'am Vicky Aldoveros at sa mga iba pang punong guro na kasama natin ngayon. And siyempre, sa ating punong lungsod, kay Mayor Sherwin at sa napakahusay natin na punong guro kay Ma'am Agulto. Ma'am, magandang hapon at maraming salamat sa inyong paanyaya. Bago ang lahat, tulad ng sabi ko, nais kong batiin ng congratulations sa lahat nagtapos dito sa Congcaton National High School. Kaya napaka-importante nitong araw na to, maliit man, pero ito ang unang batch na natapos sa high school na to. Kaya you guys have to be proud of yourselves. Masasabi nyo ilang taon mula ngayon na kami ang una na naging alumni ng alumnos ng school na yan. At kalakip niyan ang isa ang pwesto nyo sa history ng paaralan na to. Alam ko kanina kinikwento sa akin ni Mr. Zorbano kung paano nagsimula tong school na to. Ika nga, great things starts from small beginnings. Sabi na kanina sa akin, halos nag-umpisa sa 3 teacher hanggang sa naging maraming teacher, nag-umpisa sa ilang estudyante hanggang sa ngayon napakarami ng estudyante sa 4 na baitang ng high school. At naniniwala ako na ang unang batch na graduate ngayon ay patunay ng dedikasyon, sipag at syaga ng mga magulang, mga guro at ang mga principals, ang naging principal natin at ang kasalukuyan nating principal. Ipinakita rin ng barangay officials natin na kasama si Kapitan Alvin.
I pledge to uphold the name of my alma mater.
I pledge to uphold the name of my alma mater,
Preserve its dignity and honor.
preserve its dignity and honor,
And promote its noble objectives.
and promote its noble objectives.
I pledge that I will do my best of my ability
I pledge that I will do my best of my ability
to contribute for the welfare
to contribute for the welfare
and upliftment of my school.
and upliftment of my school.
I pledge that I will serve my country,
And I pledge that I will serve my country,
my fellow men,
my fellow men,
and above all,
and above all,
our Lord Almighty.
our Lord Almighty.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Oath of membership.